चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Some visuals coming in, viewers. These are visuals from the early in the morning. A short while back, Himanta Biswa Sarma had spoken on this incident. We're getting many leaders' reactions on this story. Very unfortunate news had come in early in the morning where 8 people have died, over 50 injured as a Kolkata-bound Kanchenjunga Express had collided with a goods train in the morning. The Prime Minister has also reacted on this. Compensation has been announced for those who have lost their life, their kin, and for the injured. Now, these are visuals coming in right now of what the present situation is on the ground. We can see that heavy security presence is at the spot. The latest update in the story is that we see that the rescue and relief operations are happening at full swing. Earlier in the day, we saw news of the train accident. It was around 8:30 a.m. and that's when the locals had reached the spot first, and then the rest of the staff, NDRF team and other officials had reached the spot later. I just want to go across to Harsha, who's joining us live. Harsha, Ashwini Vaishnav is on its way to the train accident site, the mishap site. He'll be reaching there in just a short while. But he had tweeted in the morning that rescue and relief operations are happening on a war footing. Now, you're at the war room. What is happening as we speak? What is happening inside? Take us through all the details.
So, Shivangi, right now, as we see, the war room is there outside which the security official could be seen. The war room is a very sensitive place, but it's also a place which has been set up at 3rd floor of the railways, where inside monitoring is taking place. Chairman Railway Board Jaya Sinha herself is monitoring the entire situation inside the war room, and Ashwini Vaishnav will be reaching the Bagdogra airport at around 4 o'clock. From there, 40 kilometers is the place Jalpaiguri where the entire accident has taken place. The collision between Kanchenjunga Express and the goods train took place. Right now I'm at Rail Bhavan, and right now back-to-back meetings are happening here. But as Jaya Sinha CRB clearly stated that this is a human error and the signal was ignored the signal was ignored. But right now Jaya Sinha is in our frame. We'll try to take a word if CRB speaks to her. Ms. Sinha, what's the current situation? We are live.
We have started restoration. We started restoration.
Yes, started restoration.
Yeah, you can see that JCBs are working, and we plan to restore traffic as soon as possible.
Mr. Just one question. Minister has already reached there, but what about the Kavach system, the anti-collision Kavach system?
Kavach is on its way. Kavach is being expanded. As you know already that we have more than 1,500 kilometer covered for it. We have a total track of 68,000 kilometers. 1,500 is already covered. This financial year we'll add another 3,000. Next year we will add another 3,000, and that will include. This year itself, we will be doing the Delhi-Howrah main line and the Delhi-Bombay.
Was the signal ignored, or is it a human error?
We don't know, because we don't know just yet. It seems that yes, that was a possibility, but we will know more about after the inquiry.
What's the casualty number, ma'am, right now? If we can know the casualty.
As far as from the information that I have at this point of time, it is 5 plus 3 of our own staff.
What is the right to rescue operation system? There could be more casualty and the more injured people in the incident?
People have all been taken to the hospital. The injured are in the hospital, and we are making sure that they get the best treatment and we avoid any more casualties. Yeah? So the effort is to ensure that they get the best treatment possible.
You are monitoring the war room situation. You are also sitting in the war room. Right now, what is the entire thing which you are gathering from the ground, from the accident spot site?
That rescue is complete and restoration has begun.
How many trains have been diverted from that entire route? Because that is the place where so many trains are there.
12 diversions so far.
And since until when the route will be again started?
We'll be able to assess the timeline very soon. Yeah, thank you very much.
So, Alisha, Shivangi, this was Jaya Sinha, CRB chairman, Railway Board, speaking exclusively to Republic, where she clearly stated that rescue operation is complete.